Jamie Oliver, the Naked Chef. Have you never heard of me before?
Let's get it straight.
Ooh, this looks like a tangy wonder.
It looks a little intense, a little intimidating. I don't know if it's like the prettiest on the eye.
I got really excited because I thought there were pickles in here, and like I love a tangy German potato salad. Looks like celery. Celery is the most disappointing vegetable that's ever existed.
The flavor's delicious.
Oh dang.
Got a bit of an aftertaste.
This has such great seasoning. I'm a ranch dressing addict, and I might replace ranch dressing for this. Like, I kind of want to douse it on everything.
I'm gonna take this big honkin' potato. Like, what are those bits? I don't understand. What are the bits? What are the bits?
Is that like bacon on top?
What are the bits?
Here goes.
So feminine.
It's like more manageable than the first one.
Well, that was lackluster. I didn't expect to say this. Winner. Boom.
I choose number 2, the bitted one.
I think this one's better. Sorry, guy.
That guy looks shady.